Good morning, everybody, and thank you for coming board in the early morning. And again, your speaker for today is yours truly, Jeffrey Isguera. Okay, if you haven't met me, okay, my full name is Jeffrey Isguera, and my background is in retail. I started Forever Living Products 6 years ago. My reason of joining is to earn extra 2,000 dirhams to support my salary. Okay, then became bigger and bigger along the way. Okay, until I decide to have time freedom coming from this business that we're talking about. Time freedom that my job didn't allow me, and when I can still remember when I was working, uh, hardly I can find time for myself, and I have long hours of commute and really long hours of working, and I feel I can do more. So when I saw the opportunity, I put all my effort, okay, and I decided to become successful in the business, okay. Uh, and after 2 years, I found myself submitting my resignation and doing this business full time. So if you are seeing the opportunity for the first time right now, or you're just looking on the product, you're here as an spectator like that, okay, that won't work. So if you join, decide to be successful or not to. All right. So it's a start with the decision. So today, guys, my topic is about Vital 5. So every Sunday morning we do this product training. Okay, every no, it's every Monday morning, sorry. We do this product training. And today my topic is Vital 5, and every week we're gonna cover different products. Last week was a combo pack presentation. And what I love with the products is uh, you will understand them more once you tried it. Okay, so training is just probably 70% of knowledge, but if you want 100% of knowledge is to get your hands with the products. Just try it. Okay, try it, use it, feel it. Okay, benefit with it, and I'll tell you, you will be in love more in the product. Okay, why we talk about products is the more products you use, the more story you have, the more share that you can do. All right, so let's start. So Vital 5 is an advanced nutrition made simple. So basically, it's designed for everybody who's having a fast-paced life. People who works, people who take cares of their family, okay, and forgot to take care of their body, right? So who needs Vital 5? I can tell you everybody. Even me, I'm using Vital 5, okay, right now. So the science behind Vital 5 is it's a unique combination of the world's finest aloe vera gel and nutritional supplements developed to help you look and feel your best. Its components are not medicine. Remember that, okay? They're not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Remember, our products are food supplement. They're not medicine, okay? But according to testimony, okay, we have a lot of testimony that became better, okay? Better health, look younger using Vital 5. So never ever tell your anybody that they can be cured or they can be treated by the Vital 5. But our product can help. Okay, our product can help on whatever disease they're having. In our body, there are trillions of cells, 11 body system, 4 tissue types, and one body, and that's your body. And a healthy body begins with a healthy cells. So this is a healthy cell looks like, right? So the question is, do we eat enough for what our body needs every meal or every day? Some people, especially here in the United Arab Emirates, some people they skip breakfast. Some people skip lunch, or some people don't skip 2 meals in a day and eat only in the dinner time, right? Because of they compromise their because of their work, they compromise their eating styles or their eating habit, right? So also if we eat, When we eat, do we eat correct food? We always eat fast food. Okay, we are all guilty on this, right? So basically, the answer is not so much or not really, right? So this is this is a picture of a cell of a person who is on age 40. All right. Check the vitamin and mineral deficiency. If you're male, check the blue color. If you're a female, red color. So this when you at the age of 40, right? So our cells that should be looking healthy, like you've seen earlier or on the top right, okay, is right now on a lot of vitamin deficiency. Okay, and this was taken, okay, from the Japanese food intake standard. Imagine, Japanese are known to be the healthiest people, okay, in the world. Why? Japanese eat fresh raw, fresh and raw. Okay, in Japan, there's less than 1% of heart attack cases. That's why they took it there. Okay, less than of heart attack cases because they eat a lot of fishes, they eat raw. Okay, the food is fresh because of the weather. All right, but in the United States of America, in USA, the number one killer is heart attack. In the opposite side, in Japan, less than 1% is heart attack. So again, Japanese are one of the most healthy diet in the world. That's why uh, they took the research over there. And again, still there's a lot of deficiency. Okay, so what are the other factors uh, contribute to overall health? First of all is stress. A lot of us is experiencing stress in our job. Okay, the environment that we work for. Okay, some people works in factory, so pollution, habits. Okay, like smoking, or if you're not smoking, secondhand smoke. Okay, and lack of activity. Don't exercise much, and you don't go out much, right? So these are other factors that's contributing as well. Okay. According to JAMA, okay, most people do not consume an optimal amount of all vitamins by diet alone. It appears prudent for all adults to take vitamins and supplement. So everyone, okay, every adult, okay, it's prudent to take vitamins and supplement nowadays. All right. So there are three keys for optimal health. So first, we take care of the absorption, and then the circulation, and then the fortification of the cell, right? So on these three keys, have answer. Okay, three keys for optimal health is in Vital 5 in a single box. Okay, this is how it looks like if you haven't seen our Vital 5 packet. All right. So the components of Vital 5 are backed by years of study by thousands of researchers. Let's start with gut health. This is on the absorption part, gut. Okay, on your digestion and your intestine. Okay, so gut health is the central to overall health. In fact, yesterday I have a presentation with a Kuwaiti guy. Okay, he mentioned to me that even in Quran, in the Hadith, okay, he said Hadith. Okay, Prophet Muhammad is saying that everything starts on the digestion. Okay, and then I never check it yet, but he mentioned to me I'm gonna go and Google that straight away and check it out. Okay, so gut health, digestion, nutrients. When you in the digestion, that's the nutrient absorption, wherein you collect whatever your body needs, and the garbage will go to your large intestine, going out to your poo poo. Right. So immunity is 70% of immune cells. Okay, mood. Okay? When you have bad digestion problem, your mood is 90% of your serotonin production, okay, is lesser. Okay? Nerves, half of the nervous system. Imagine that, don't function when you have a problem with health. when you have issues in health and digestive. Okay, so optimal health begins with the proper ratio of desirable bacteria in the gut. So the desirable good bacteria and bad bacteria in the gut should be 85% good, 15% bad. If your gut has only uh, good bacteria, it's not also good. We need the 15% bad bacteria. Okay? If it's all bad bacteria, obviously it's not very good. All right? So it should be 85 and 15. Okay? So, and our good bacteria supply comes from our first product in the Vital 5. It's called the Forever Probiotic. We're in, there's 1 billion good bacteria sitting there. Do you need 1 billion? Yes. That's the recommended daily intake. So we recommend you when you wake up in the morning, take one bidlet of Forever Probiotic, and you are sure that your ratio will become 85 to 15. Uh, so that followed by a healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. So we all know that our number one product are the aloe vera gels. All right, because of nutrient absorption and because aloe vera, okay, their aids in digestion, immune function and support, they help so much. Okay, trace minerals and vitamins are available inside the aloe vera, and essential amino acids. In fact, the 8 essentials are there. Enhance nutrients absorption. So again, these are vegetable with the soap. Remember, okay, I always explain it in a very layman's term. Aloe vera is a vegetable with the soap. So when you drink it, it will help you cleaning your digestive system. Okay, and you will feel that immediately. If you're taking aloe vera, you will feel that immediately. Plus the things that I mentioned here. Okay, aids in digestion, immune function and support, trace minerals and vitamins, amino acids are a part of that, and uh, absorption. Okay, so we talk about probiotic. We have the aloe vera gel. Those are the second product inside the Vital 5. And then third, we go right now to the circulation. And it focused to our RG Plus product. Who developed RG Plus product is a Nobel Prize, okay, in physiology and medicine, nitric oxide signaling pathways. Imagine, that's Dr. Ferid Murad. Dr. Ferid Murad, a Nobel Prize winner, made our RG Plus product. Okay. You know his specialization? This is very tough. Physiology and medicine in nitric oxide signaling pathways. So it's very very detailed. That's his specialization. Making sufficient quantities of nitric oxide dilates blood vessels, improves the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. Okay? So if you're taking the RGE, okay, it will improve your oxygen supply in the body to let your nutrients travel faster. Okay, so this is the RG. Okay, RG plus. So if you're taking nitric oxide, it gives you arginine as well, L-arginine. Okay, so it improves your blood flow. So now you are cleaning the digestive system when you eat correct. Okay, the bloodstream will follow. So it will improve the blood flow. And now the nutrients is flowing to your body perfectly by the help of the RG Plus. And in RG Plus, there's a lot of antioxidant as well because of the arginine. And there's a lot of berries over there, right? Number 4 product inside the Vital 5 is Arctic Sea. So this is the omega-3, omega-9 supply. Taking 1 gram of essential fatty acids like those in the Arctic Sea daily is very beneficial to your health. I mentioned earlier Japan. Okay, Japan, number one on their diet is fishes because they have a lot of fish in Japan. That's why also the reason that's why they have less than 1% of heart attack cases. Imagine that. So taking 1 gram, like our Arctic Sea, okay, will help you to have a good cholesterol in the body. So good cholesterol fights bad cholesterol. Remember that the only solution if you're having a bad cholesterol, is take good cholesterol. There's no other. Okay. So who made our Arctic Sea is Dr. Jorn Dienberg. Okay. He is one of the world-renowned omega-3 researcher. Another, last but not the least, the fifth product in the Vital 5 is our Forever Daily. And 14 vitamins and 10 minerals included to that. 20 carefully selected vegetable and fruits. Proprietary micronutrients delivery system. Imagine this, micronutrients on the smallest form that our body can absorb. That does it mean. Okay, that's what it means. Delivery system. Okay, so faster delivery. So our product research is thinking on how we can absorb it. Okay, faster in our body. Okay, heightened absorption and metabolism. So remember, we focus on that. Right? So if you're taking a Forever Daily, okay, uh, your system is absorbing uh, the chart on my on your right side. Okay, the blue color. You are above the daily requirements, more than okay the daily requirements, right? So, and if you're just taking your diet daily, you don't even get any okay any nutrients level if you're just eating normal food. So that's how essential is Forever Daily. Okay. Now, complete nutrition is essential for overall health. Again, we talk about gut and digestion. We talk about our in our gut and digestion, those are probiotic and aloe vera gel. That's the first product. Circulation is about the arginine and Rg plus and our Arctic Sea. And okay, of course, the fortification. There's the Forever Daily works on that on the cellular level. All right. So this is how it was designed. Okay, absorption, circulation, and fortification. All right, all inside the box of Vital 5, which is very helpful to our body. Simplicity. We made it simple for you and me. Okay, what to use, what to use. So if in case somebody asks you, okay, I'm not, I just want to be healthy. What are the products you want to do? You want to recommend? You can recommend Vital 5 straight away. Okay. Actually, my parents are taking Vital 5. I'm taking Vital 5. Okay. And you will see if you start taking Vital 5, you get younger and younger month after month after month because the science is just different. The science is different. And it's designed for a month program, okay? So you don't think for your supplement for the whole month, just think of Vital 5, okay? Everyone you know can benefit from Vital 5. Old, active lifestyle, student, young people, everybody needs Vital 5, okay? So Vital 5 is advanced nutrition made simple, okay? So, so that's the end of the presentation for today. It's a quick training. Okay, I hope everybody enjoy. Okay. So if you have some question, I'll be happy to answer it. Okay. Uh, you can raise your hand from the board, and if you have some questions, you can write it on the question panel. If not, then okay, okay, we're quite a lot today. Thank you very much for coming on board, guys, for this early morning. I hope this take value. Okay, so if you're no one is raising their hands. No one is taking questions. Okay. So I think this is the end of our presentation. Right. So thank you everyone. It was a quick training. Remember tonight we will be having our rolling training week 3. We are now in the week 3, and we have a fantastic. Tonight we will cover how to handle objections, how to recruit. Okay, the scripts to recruit. So it will be 8 p.m. So if you haven't got the link, please get it from me or from my app, from your upline. Okay, so register on our rolling training. So again, we have a rolling training every Monday as well, evening. So please learn more. to become more in the business. All right. So I wish you all success and thank you very much and have a great day and have a fantastic forever journey. Thank you.